Okay, so today's video is not really that bike related, although this is a Toby Price Edition Triton. Just like Toby Price's trophy truck, only minus Toby and minus the sponsors and minus about 400 horsepower. So here are the results after a few thousand Ks of driving. And just to put your mind at rest from the last episode, I replaced that dodgy cable tie with a much better secure clamp around the tap. So the question is, how well has the Provent catch can been performing, and is it worth installing one in the first place? So as you can see, I've got about 150 mils in this water bottle of oil and moisture that's not going through the intake and not going through the engine. Do I think that's worth it? Bloody oath I do.